Okay, I am at the dashboard of the Mayhem news site. Alright, this is what yours would look like if you went under your own blog page. If you are interested in doing your blog, you know, and doing the backgrounds and everything. If you look down here where it says appearance and click on that, it'll bring up basically what you're using, which I'm using Modularity Lite. Alright, then you come down here. The widgets are what you see on my page, like over here on the side you'll see this is what's on the sidebar. This meta thing is the sign-in page. That allows, if you're going to let people write on your blog, you know, you can actually have them log in. You can list your authors, you can list Twitter, you can do the RS feeds. This is where people can actually get updates about your post and stuff. They can use a news reader to actually see it. You can set up a follow, that way they get email notification every time you post a blog. And you can also create a like page. Now what I suggest you do is go to Facebook and create one, but this will allow you to do it through this page as well. And then each one of these things has their own description. This right here, this widget here is it's always on. It tries to catch the spam comments and puts them in the spam column. Alright, and then you can look down at all the theme options. You can set it up to where, you know, what color scheme you want to use. If you want to see a sidebar, you know, pretty much self-explanatory. You can write a welcome message, you know. Then you can go down here to your header, and if you see it says 950 by 200 pixels. If you'll set your image that size in the first place, and I just made this one on Paint, it's not nothing special. I put a black background, basically set it to the size I needed, and then uploaded it. And you can put this at the top of the page, and I'll show you what that looks like. It'll post the banner at the top. Okay. Now, and you can look down here to some more. It's got a background. You can do the same thing with a background. I've just got a standard background, so it's not really anything special. I don't even think I actually put anything up right now on this one, because it actually comes with a cool background. You can see here. That's pretty cool actually. And then you can look down. Custom designs are only used if you're going to pay for a custom, an advanced theme, and some of them are expensive, some of them are cheap. Mobile, this allows people, if you want people to be able to see your thing on the mobile screen and actually see excerpts on the front page. And then it tells you about the mobile apps that they have. And then it tells you some stuff about the iPad. I don't have one, so I couldn't tell you nothing about that. But that's pretty much how you would set up your page. Like if you wanted to download a background, you know, you just go here, select the image off of your computer, and then it'll tell you how big it needs to be, so you can go ahead and cut and make that size change beforehand if you want to. Alright, this right here will help you when you want to set up your own blog, and you know, you had to create one to sign in on my page. So once that gets done, you know, we'll get you going. Alright, if you have any other questions, note the first video in this series. It has my phone number. You can always call me at home. Alright, thanks.